Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to a new video on Beam. Finally, another update. I mean, it's been a couple of days, but the price. I mean, right now, to be honest, look, I used to cover Beam every single day, and when it was very bullish, I think then it was justified to cover it every single day. Right now, the market structure is different. All right, and most of you know that. So hopefully, you can forgive me for not covering it every single day. But the thing is that Beam right now is just very neutral, actually. All right, it's neither very bullish nor very bearish. Beam itself, if you look at this, I mean, the open interest has been kind of up and down this week. We've really had spikes and drops, or pumps and dumps, and but overall it's pretty stable. Like the average, I think, is around $11 million in open interest, at least for Beam itself. Beamx might be a little bit different, but I very much doubt that it will be completely different, and I never really know which one of these to trust. No, Beamx is kind of the same. I mean, it's a little bit more bearish maybe, but kind of the same. So purely technically, what I think the situation for Beam is that there's this major resistance level right here around 2.1 and 2.2 cents. All right, that's the main level to break. If Beam really wants to rally, it needs to break above this level. Because if it breaks above that level, that's a major bullish breakout plus bullish confirmation. Look, if that happens, we will rally. But so far, we haven't been able to break above that. And I wouldn't say that it's likely that we will. But then we also have this support level for Beam. I would say around like 1.7 and 1.8 cents right now, even though there's still a ton of support as well, around 1.6, but we haven't really met that level yet. We haven't tested it yet. But you have great support here. So Beam right now is just stuck in the middle, and we're getting spikes and drops down in the middle of this consolidation because, and I think most of you will agree with me on this, because Beam is a bit manipulated. All right, it's a bit of a weird coin. All right, it comes from MC Merit Circle, that also has been kind of a weird coin for quite a while, if you still remember it. But no, I mean, there's great backers behind it, but there's also kind of, backers who have had a history of pumping up prices, etc. So Beam right now, it's just neutral and volatile, which I don't really like. All right, I would say it's really waiting. It's waiting for a decent breakout. So let's just say we either have to break above 2.2 cents or below 1.75 cents. So 1.75 cents is 0.0175. And at this moment, I have to say that after a drop like this and a consolidation like this, usually we drop again. That's just historically what I've always found to be true. So I would say it's a little bit more likely that we will get a bearish breakout, find some support at 1.6, but then if we break out below 1.75 cents and we also find resistance there, so a break retest, I think Beam will drop down as low as 1.3, which I think long-term actually isn't bad, because the market cap is actually quite high for Beam, even though it's a solid project. So I think a drop for the long-term holders, at least, is actually pretty good. But no, that's what I expect. I mean, it's also that also comes a little bit from the fact that I think it's most likely that Bitcoin will get a bit of a drop here. Look, markets are going to be strange around Christmas, all right? So it's difficult to analyze, and I'm sorry, and I'm just going to be honest about that. I cannot tell you that it will go up or down. I mean, when it was very bullish, I always told you it will go up, or I think it's most likely it will go up. I cannot do that right now, and I will not lie to you, all right? So wait for that breakout, wait for that break retest, and then you'll have confirmation. Bearish breakout to me looks most likely. Those are my thoughts. If you do have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to check out my premium and signal group if you're interested in that. That's up to you. For now, thank you for watching though. Take care and bye.